Love the seasoning on it. Mediterranean herb. I think I'm gonna do this one. Alright, now to get some meat. Trying to cut back on pork. But I do want to get the steak for sure. At least 2 steaks. We still got steak from the last time I went to the store. Okay, so I got some knock your sprouts off bread, raisin bread, pita bread, eggs, apples, cucumbers, cheese, and light string cheese. Let's see. Oranges, and the rest of it I believe is still in the and I got pizza bagels, and the rest of the stuff is still in the bags, and I'll show you as I'm taking it out. Okay, and I got 2 pizzas, pepperoni pizza and the cheese stuffed crust pizza. These have to go in the deep freezer because they won't fit in the freezer up here. Alright, and I have sweet potatoes, sweet and salty on the go pack, roasted pine nut hummus, oven roasted turkey breast, and some plates. Alright, we got spring mix, ribeye, salmon, waffles. Got some puffed corn, butter flavor, salsa, olive oil spray. Grab this cran ras drink just because it's got no calories. Needed some ketchup, orange juice, a whole bunch of bananas, sweet potatoes, those little golden potatoes. Yeah, that's all I got over there. More garlic salt and crushed pineapple. And I have chicken breast and chicken breast tenderloin. I kind of don't want to take this out the bag, but it's chicken legs. I'm going to put all of this in the deep freezer until I'm ready to cook it. Or I may separate it before I freeze it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Non-fat Greek yogurt, broccoli. Yes, baby. Lemons. Yes, Aiden. Baby cut carrots. And seasoned fries. I bought some chicken fries. This is my first time buying these. Hopefully they like them. I have some uncured turkey bacon, uncured turkey franks, popcorn chicken, my kids like that, and beef hot dogs. Steamed mixed vegetables, Brussels sprouts. These could be steamed. Grilled chicken breast strips. I could put them in a salad or in the pita wrap that I showed. Raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and a bag of avocados, tomatoes on the vine, and sweet peppers. These are really good. I like to eat these with hummus or cook with them, like if I'm making a recipe. I have rice cakes, caramel corn flavor, pretzels. I have 2 cans of sweet peas and a can of sweet corn. These were the other potatoes I was talking about. The way I make them, they taste so good. I put like Parmesan cheese, olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and I bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. Make sure they cut up, season well. They taste so good. So yeah, that's those. Multi-grain tortilla chips. I have some cheese dip in there that I want to make like some type of dip with like ground meat in there. So I want to use these chips to eat that. And the last item that does not want to come out of the bag, which is jasmine rice. I'm running low, so I got more. So that is my grocery haul for you guys. I'll show you inside of my refrigerator. I have a question. And I got bread. It got smashed a little bit, but oh well. Hamburger buns and hot dog buns. Alright, so this is my refrigerator. This is just honey with garlic in it. It's just good to take. But that's not the point. Anyway, my refrigerator, I'm trying to organize it. I took out some stuff that was extra in the way that needs to just be thrown out. But it's like hard to keep a French door refrigerator organized. Like I have my little meat section where I have meat that is raw, and then I have apples. Well, these are going somewhere else. It's probably going in the freezer. But I got like fruit right here. I got my lettuce there. I got my eggs, my bread, my protein shakes, baby food, random stuff. And I keep my veggies like carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and I got my sour cream back there. Like this is as organized as I can get it. And I'm like, I keep my drinks right here. And then in here is like the lunch meat, cheese. See, I got hummus. You know, try to keep it like that. And then in here, I keep my basket with my oranges in there, my lemons. This broccoli is going to be put in a Ziploc bag. It actually stays fresh in here. And then we keep like the tortillas in here because it's just the best space for it. And then I just put my peppers and my avocados down here. I don't know how that's gonna work, but that's how I store it. It feels cluttered, but this is the best I can do. I miss my old refrigerator, but yeah. Oh, and then over here on the door, I have like, let's turn that off. I have, this is blue cheese. I put it on like a salad. And this is like blueberry goat cheese. I eat that with crackers. And then this is butter that I keep up here. Cream cheese, more butter, and then like some soft cheese you can put on crackers. So that's how I do that. Sauces, salad dressings. Yeah, and I have to refill my ketchup bottle because the one that I bought doesn't fit down here, so I need to use the old bottle. Oh, and these are eye patches. I think you're supposed to keep them in the refrigerator. Or this one is supposed to be in the refrigerator. And I just put both of them. Yeah. Yeah, so that's my fridge. My freezer is a different story. It's not as bad. It's not really bad, but I really just don't want to show right now. Whatever. Okay, so that's the end of my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm about to put my son down for a nap. It's about that time, and yeah, I'm about to start prepping food for the next couple of days so I can stay on track with losing weight. He's down here. What you doing, big boy? Aiden. He's sleepy. Yeah, he's sleepy. So I'm trying to stay on track with my weight loss journey. I'm starting new. So yeah. And the best way for me to lose weight is to count calories. I know it's not absolutely necessary, but for me, it's the best way for me to lose weight. And that's what I plan to do. I don't know if I'm going to post this before my next video, which is going to show what I do in the gym. But other than that, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you got some ideas for food you can get, and you all have a beautiful day.